This video will introduce a new DIY product that is on-off ZigBee 3.0 USB dongle. It is pre-flashed with the Silicon Labs ZigBee stack from their ZNet 6.7.8 SDK as the application firmware, which means that it can be used out of the box on Home Assistant. As a coordinator of the network, ZigBee 3.0 USB dongle has been tested that all on-off ZigBee sub-devices can work with it. Next, I will show you the process of adding devices and simple use on Home Assistant. Note that only part of the sub-devices are selected as a demonstration. Firstly, insert the ZigBee 3.0 USB dongle into the Raspberry Pi or computer where Home Assistant has been installed. Select the corresponding USB port. Select the first protocol EZSP protocol, and change the port speed to 115200. Now, we have successfully added the ZHA integration. It's pretty easy, right? And then go on adding the ZigBee sub-device. Tap Add Device, put the device into pairing mode. Adding successfully. Now you can see that ZigBee sub-devices appear in the device list. Then go back to the home page and select a card for each entity to display on the front end for viewing and controlling. Here the default UI display is selected as an example. All devices are already displayed on the front end. Test if it can be controlled normally. Okay, it seems to work well. Automation scene display. Create a simple scene that detecting someone's movement makes the light turn on automatically. The triggering device is the SNGB03 motion sensor, and the executing device is the ordinary lamp connected to ZigBee Mini. Saved and done. Now, let's see how does the scene works. Thanks for your watching.